Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening GTA 5 and pausing to get into Settings Graphics. This puts controls where you can change brightness now. Make sure your monitor resolution matches the game's resolution, so scaling does not alter perceived brightness. Once done, turn off HDR or heavy post-processing temporarily so you can see true luminance while adjusting. This avoids chasing a false setting. You're aiming for a neutral baseline before fine-tuning in the next steps, so don't skip matching resolution and disable. Now you adjust the brightness slider. Reduce it until the HUD elements are just visible without losing dark scene detail. At the same time, tweak contrast to preserve punch and highlights and set gamma to recover midtones. This balances shadow versus highlight detail. Make sure to test by switching between night and day scenes so you can see extremes. This helps avoid settings that look fine in one scene but are washed out in another. Once satisfied, lock these values before final external tweaks. Finish by using your GPU control panel for fine-grain adjustments. Small changes of 0.5 to 5% can correct remaining bias. Then re-enable HDR or post-processing and compare. If colors clip or blacks crush, revert the game slider a bit and retest. If brightness still behaves oddly, reset GTA 5 graphics to defaults and try the sequence again, or update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers sometimes misapply color profiles. If problems persist, check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.